Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can set up your Mana.com for your organization. So in your Mana.com workspace, press this blue button, choose from templates, and here you search for organization, and you get this template that says organizational chart. Click on it, click use template. Alright guys, as the template is set up, as you can see, it has created this organization chart into our Mana.com. Here we get a couple of different groups here. We get a C-suite, we get a directors group, a managers, employees, and we can add other groups as well. So in C-suite, we can add item, name, department, joint company, years of experience, home, and manager. And in directors, we can add the same information for directors. We can add the same information for our managers and employees. So this way we can use this template to fill in information of our organization and to manage everything related to our organization. So this is how you set up Mana.com for an organization. I hope this tutorial was helpful. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.